Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeola Deyus. I'm a website designer, a digital marketer, and I'm a coach on website designing, digital marketing, and also train you on how to use your artificial intelligence to your advantage. Now, I also help small business owners to grow their businesses. Right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you the steps to run your Facebook ads and direct your audience to your WhatsApp. That is, after they have seen your Facebook ads, they can actually message you on WhatsApp. So we are going to go to our Facebook page, but before doing that, if you are just watching the video on this channel, make sure you subscribe. You click on the subscribe button on this channel so you can get more videos from time to time. Anytime I drop a video, you also get a video on your mobile phone or on your device. Right, now to move us further, now I'll click on it and then I'll go to facebook.com/ads manager. So I'll click on facebook.com/ads manager. So that's the first step to getting started. facebook.com/ads manager. So that's if you want to run ads and direct people, of course, direct people from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. So that's what this video is all about, directing your audience from your Facebook. After you run your ads, you direct them the kind of objective to use that will help you to direct your audience from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. A lot of questions have been coming to my DM and I've said, okay, I'm going to create this video. Right, I'm going to create this video and I'll teach my audience on how to do this, like the kind of objective, the ad objective that you are going to use to drive your traffic from Facebook to your WhatsApp. So if you have not done anything on Facebook Ads Manager before, you can actually reach me on WhatsApp, alright, to train you on how to run ads from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. Right, it's still loading. Alright guys, so I'll just have to click on create. I'll click on create, though it's still loading. Right, I'll have to click on create. My network is a little bit bad. Alright, so I'll click on create. I'll click on create. Now you will find out that there are different campaign objectives, so you have to look for the kind of objective that suits your advert. Now for instance, now I have awareness campaign objective, I have traffic, I have engagement, we have leads, we have app promotion, we have sales. Alright, now this traffic, now if I click on this traffic, for instance, now if I click on traffic, I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue, then yes, awesome. So now I have to change the campaign name. So let me say I want to change this campaign name now to September 2023. Alright, let's say I want to change the campaign name to September 2023, for instance. I'll click on next so that it will go to my new traffic ad set. I'll click on next. Alright, so you have the conversion location. So where do you want to locate your traffic to? Like, choose where you want to drive your traffic to. You understand? So this is your website, this is app, this is messenger, this is WhatsApp, this is call. So if I want to direct my ads from my Facebook using traffic campaign objective, I'll have to select what? WhatsApp. You can see it now. You just click on the WhatsApp there, and then your ads should be what? Will be sent to your WhatsApp. There are other information that you also need to fill here. The other information that you need to fill here, which is the dates to which you want the ads to start, the amount you want to spend on the ads, the ending dates, and the audience, the location, the age, the gender, and many other information like that. Alright, now of course this is just to show you how, the campaign objective that can actually help you to drive your traffic from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. Run the next method through which you can actually run your ads and then direct them from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll click on create now. I'll click on create, and then engagement is also another campaign objective method that you can use to drive your traffic from Facebook to your WhatsApp. So I'll click on continue. Alright, I'll click on manual engagement campaign, and then I'll click on what? Continue. I'll click on continue. Now of course you can change the campaign name, so I can decide to say November, okay, October, for example, October 2023. October 2023. Then I'll click on next. I'll click on next. Yeah, so now you find out that it's telling you now that where do you want your engagement, like choose where you want to drive engagement. So I may want my engagement on your ad, like people to just interact with my post or my video. You understand? If you want people to engage on your videos, if you're a content creator, you can also use engagement ads. Alright, so for example, now I want it to be directed to my WhatsApp, so I have to select the messaging app. So you see it's there that is saying what? Get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, that's your Facebook Messenger, your WhatsApp, or your Instagram. So this is another method through which you can direct your audience from your Facebook to your WhatsApp using the engagement campaign objective. Alright, so you also have to fill other information, select the page you want, and fill in other information, and you publish your ads. Alright, this is the second method. Alright, now the third method to running these ads, now is to, I'll click on create, and then I'll select the sales objective. So I'll click on continue. The sales objective, so I'll click on continue. Now of course you change your campaign name. I can change it to November. Alright, then I'll click on next. So this method can actually, these three methods can actually make your ads to come from your Facebook, like your audience going from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. Alright, so you click on messaging app, which is to drive sales and conversion, through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So this is what you are going to select on. Right, so having done that, you fill in other information on the Facebook ads manager, and then you publish your ads. Now if you have difficulty in running ads, you can actually message me on WhatsApp. The number is going to be displayed on your screen, so you can reach me on WhatsApp. And if you want to learn how to run ads like a pro, you want to learn how to run Facebook ads, you can actually message me on WhatsApp also. And if you want our physical training on how to run ads, you can still message me on WhatsApp. We are located in Benin City, and we also have a digital marketing agency where we train people on how to design a website, how to run ads, how to run to go about email marketing, and how to use artificial intelligence and video editing and many other things that you need to learn about the digital skills. So thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about our videos, our next videos.